What's up, everybody?
Domino's.
It's the Domino's India mukbang. We already kind of mukbanged some frackin' McDonald's, so we got another 5 pizzas, 4 sides.
Look at 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm not helping you. You have to do it on your own. This is your personal mission.
5 pizzas, and then 1,
Nice.
2,
These are gonna get harder to stack.
3,
4 sides.
4 sides. Look at that Domino's.
And 15 oreganos.
Oh yeah.
And some chili flakes.
Oh yeah.
And that's Domino's for you. Let's eat it. A bunch of different kinds of pizzas. They got some weird ones. So let's start off with this fracker. Oh, look at untouched by hand. It's got a bloody little sticker on it. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, not sure which one this is. It's the
Chicken something.
regular Boo Chicken 5 Feast. So there's
the
5
chicken.
5 different kinds of chickens on this
We got some
fracker.
like chicken sausages, some tandoori chicken.
This should be cheese burst crust too. Cheese burst crust. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is cheese burst crust right there.
It's not even just the crust, it's the whole crust.
The whole pizza is cheese burst. Holy nuts. This is not just your regular stuffed crust. This is cheese burst.
It's a thick boy.
All chicken. Whoa.
There's so much to that.
Whoa. That bottom layer of cheese is so cheesy.
Is there even actual like pizza sauce on here? Or is it? No, there's some. You don't even taste pizza sauce. It's literally just the bottom layer of cheese.
Ooh. Crazy how strong the masala chicken is. That's the one you taste the most. Whoa.
So the actual back crust part doesn't have any.
So what do we have in next? We'll go to the regular 4 cheese pizza. 4 cheese pizza. That looks so frackin' cheesy.
Oh my gosh, that's a thick boy again.
That is very cheesy. Look at the cheese quality. There's so many cheeses.
So is this just like a...
Sorry for the cowbell. Here we go.
This is very like cheesy.
Wow, that's cheesy. This isn't even the cheese dominator.
And with the cheese burst in there, you get the like liquid cheese in
We
there.
don't even have cheese burst on this one.
What is that then? It's the same as the other
I
one.
think they just probably put that type of cheese on there.
Dang, that is very good, very
Ooh.
cheesy. Cheese! That's a really good piece of pizza. That one's super, super good.
Wow, they got a lot. India's loud. Let's get away from some pizza and let's go to the potato cheese shots, baby. Cheese shots!
Oh, those look so good. Oh,
They look like tater tots. Tater tot. Tater tot cheese shot. What's cheese shot?
like tater tots.
Kind of tastes like tater tots. They're spicy.
Oh yeah, they are. They just got some red flakes and some green flakes. Otherwise, I think they're just exactly a tater tot.
Spicy! Dang nabbit. They're very spicy.
Yeah, what the heck?
Alright.
Hydration time.
Oh yeah. Alright, on to the next frackin' pizza. We're gonna go with the reg chicken. The frackin' was the chicken Maximus.
Chicken dominate or no,
Chicken
cheese
Maximus,
dominator and
yeah.
then chicken.
Oh man, this one's got more sausages. Sausages. Oh, look at this piece.
It
Holy
looks
nuts.
very similar, but it just has more.
Oh, and why would this have more than the 5 cheese?
Oh my gosh, that's the thickest piece yet.
Holy nuts. Oh, look at that. Holy nuts, there's a lot of sausage on here. Sausage and bossage. Those Indian spices, first thing they come through instantly.
Yeah. It's basically just a more extreme version of the first one.
There's more chicken ravagers, chicken rashers on there.
Very good. These are all super good. I don't know if they're normally like this thick even for like the medium ones, but these are beefy.
This is so much better than the options you have in the US.
And not to mention, we only got like 4 or 5.
There's a corn pizza.
There was literally like 20 different other ones that we needed to try. There's so many things to this.
Woo! This is a lot.
It's hot in here.
It's very hot in
And then the hot pizzas and then a little bit of spice.
Oh yeah, it's lining up.
It's getting sweaty.
You ready for this? The taco Mexicana. They have tacos at Domino's here. Yes, tacos.
It says Mexicana. I wonder what that means.
Means they got some chili flakes on it. Frack. The sticker is stronger than the box. Oh, there's 2! How convenient!
What the heck?
These look amazing. The frack is like a quesadilla tortilla with a little chicken rectangle inside of it. Oh,
Interesting.
that's not too shabby.
Some good sauce. Based off the appearance, I was like, oh, that might not be that good. But it's solid.
Tacos at Domino's. Who would have thunk it? Domino's is killing it. What the heck? It goes so much harder in other countries. The reveal of the Moroccan, the frack.
That is also very thick.
Interesting looking pizza. Let's get some noodles. There is noodles on our pizza. What else could you want?
Some Moroccan spices, that's what I could want.
Noodles on pizza.
There's a lot of noodles on here.
Noodle pizza. Let's noodle it.
Noodle. The noodles change the texture so much.
They don't add any flavor.
No.
It doesn't have a ton of flavor.
No, yeah, there's not too much to it.
Alright.
We were just hyping up Domino's earlier outside of the US and now Morocco.
Morocco, come on, Morocco. Stuffed garlic bread, baby. Stuffed. Stuffed. The box is weaker than the sticker. Oh my gosh, it's a fracking calzone. There's onions in there. Oh.
Oh, what was in this one? The
Tikka. So soft. Garlicky.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, this is your basic garlic bread, but they stuffed some tikka chicken in there.
Oh, I like those.
Oh. Where's my tikka?
You're missing your tikka.
Where the frack is my tikka? Ah! The cheese dominator. This claimed to have a pound of cheese on it. If they put a pound of cheese on this tiny pizza, I'm going to be afraid. The sticker is stronger than the frackin' box. That is a lot of cheese. I don't think I can handle this. I don't think I can handle this. Oh, it didn't rip at all. There's one little string.
That was very disappointing.
Cheese dominator. So it has
my.
the liquid cheese, which is in the cheese burst crust, and then a bunch of mozzarella. Let's do it.
That's cheesy.
Oh yeah.
The liquid cheese in these just takes over.
That's so cheesy. Wow, there's so much fracking cheese.
Look at that.
If you like cheese, it's time for the cheese dominator.
Yes, go to India and get some pizza.
Last but not least, the paneer zingy parcel.
This is gonna be amazing.
Oh, parcel time. There's two of them. Oh no, there's just one of them.
Oh, look at that parcel.
That parsed so nicely. Parcel! Chicken sausage parcel, it looks like. Let's bump it and dump it, dude. Bump it and dump it.
I don't know if there's any chicken or sausage in this out.
Really? I only had 2 pieces.
Oh, there's one way back here. Alright, let me get to it. Oh, the sauce. Look at all. Oh, that bite I just got only sauce.
It kind of is like the garlic bread, but they put it in a knot, and they put some of the taco sauce in there, and then they put some chicken sausage in there.
But only 3 pieces in the whole thing.
Not bad.
Pretty good.
Small, not bad. Cheap? Heck yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
That was Domino's for you guys. We got all of that for, I think, $2,100, which is like 30 bucks. That's not bad at all. That's a lot of pizza. I'm full.
Yeah, I mean, if you order a few pizzas in the US, you're already hitting 30 bucks, like very quickly. We ordered some pizzas in UAE and multiple times spent around that money. Good value, good pizzas.
Since
Morocco,
they're so small,
bit disappointing.
They're so small, for that cheap, you can get so many different kinds.
Yeah, we got 5.
Got 5 and 4 sides. Amazing.
4 sides. That's a lot of pizza with sides.
Hopefully you enjoyed the pizza taste test, a little bit of an interesting one. But more India stuff coming soon. See you then. Bye.
Hello everybody, welcome to Pizza Hut. We're trying the different things on the Indian menu that we don't have at home. And to start with, chicken nugget looking jalapeno poppers. Let's try one of these.
They're so discus.
They are discus. I'm going to burn my mouth.
Oh.
Oh, those do not look like jalapenos to me. Jalapenos are not red. And these are so much spicier than jalapenos. Ooh, baby. This
like that.
is gonna go quick.
Those are spicy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
They're creamy mayo.
Yum.
Oh, they're hot.
They look hot. Creamy mayo breadsticks. Creamy mayo, not one that I've heard of before.
Oh, be so spicy.
Hot, isn't it?
They're very good.
They are really good. Really good. The peppers have a nice flavor to them. Copyright. Pizza Hut needs to go do some Wikipedia searches about jalapenos. Is it gonna be hot? I bet so. Ow, the racker, that's hot. I'm gonna take the sidewalk. That has nothing on it. Alright, look at that thing. It looks yummy.
Oh man, it's hot.
It is hot.
I can't bite into this at the moment.
I like torture.
Do you like the torture?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
You gotta fight the fire with the spicy.
All I've tasted so far is mayo and my little indulges. Wow.
Oh, so juicy.
These are really good. Creamy mayo.
Cracker, those are hot. Oh, they're smoking.
The piping hot mayo just goes right to the roof of my
It
mouth.
does. We have some very interesting pizzas coming.
One of them is apparently super spicy.
So interesting with the mayo on there. It's like very apparent mayo.
It sort of reminds me of the Papa John's where it was the one breadsticks that had the butter sauce on it. It's like that, but it's obviously it's mayo, but it's just that's how apparent it is.
Okay.
These are really like the inside's super squishy.
Yeah. Very soft. You could probably swallow it whole if you want. Go ahead. Matt Stoney. Matt Stoney is our food idol. The medium is smaller than the medium in Dubai.
Yeah, and the mediums in Dubai were smaller than mediums in Georgia.
Yeah. It's getting smaller and smaller. The chicken pizza.
Look at this poofy crust.
Oh, that's stuffed with some cheese, baby.
Is it gonna be better than cheeseburgers?
I don't know. That'll be a pretty hard one. But this pizza looks pretty delicious, I gotta say.
It does look pretty poppin'. They make sure to take pan to the ultimate level. It's pan.
It looks like they put it in the pan after they cooked it instead of cooking it in the pan. Oh, I got two. Ooh. That looks cheesy as nuts. Ooh. Narrowly made it, cheeser. Narrowly made it. Look at this fracking stuff. Trying to keep it on and it's just flopping right off. Get on there, chickie. You're going in. Oh, crap. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. That is cheesy and chickeny. Okay. That's pretty good. Look at that cheese burst in there. Alright. Rockin', dude. Poppin'.
The music has gotten very loud all of a sudden.
Yeah. They're trying to sabotage us.
Oh wow. That is very cheesy.
Thank you.
Feel like a spice.
Yeah. We'll try.
That's why I told you.
The momo pizza.
Look at that thing.
That is quite the creation.
That is. Wow.
So it's not as spicy as it would have been. That's good. We may have died. It's still spicy as nuts, by the way.
Really?
Look at that thing. What a creation. Alright. Let's burn. I don't have anything to drink. I'm ready to die.
Onion down.
Yum, yum, yum.
The momo.
It's steaming. Whoa. Oh, that's stuff in there.
How's the spice level at the moment?
Not bad at all. No spicy ones.
They dumped it down for us.
Yeah. They whited it out. their sour paleness, and they're like, no way. They'll literally die and we'll get sued. There's a nice dumpling at the end there. It's almost like a big breadstick with a momo in it.
Yeah, it's not as much a pizza. It's like the pocket things we got at Domino.
Yeah.
Oh, I got something spicy there. And there's a lot of bread content on this one.
Big boy. Big old fried frozen my boy, actually.
Yeah, because all over us.
A breadstick? I thought you had dinner that was just breadsticks and dumplings.
Yeah, and then you're like, this is taking too long. Let me just slap them together.
Oh yeah, a dumpling sandwich? We need to invent that. We'll let you know our rating if we find out if the ice killed us or not.
Yeah, at the moment,
Better.
I'll give it like an 8 or a 9 out of 10.
Much better than Domino.
Yeah. But that's up for debate very soon. We're in the bathroom.
In our one singular bathroom. It was fresh out of the oven. Domino's had to be delivered. So, Domino's. This is so hot. But then the stuffed crust isn't even melty.
Yeah.
What the
It's like
heck?
a cheesesteak.
What the heck? Pizza Hut. I'm getting angry with you. Oh, that's good. Everything about it. The cheese was nice. All the chicken toppings from the sausage to like just the like spicy chicken or whatever it was considered on there. It's just all the different flavors combined so well with a really soft, chewy crust, which I always like prefer. I like the taste of bread. Add some bread with some cheese and some meat. All of it. Okay, that's good.
Pizza Hut killing it in India.
We'll see what comes in a couple days.
Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Peanut butter chocolate flavor.